Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In our channel, we are posting JavaScript related videos, React code operation related videos, and some important school updates also. In school updates, come in as per review of last few days, the coronavirus. Affected persons count is increasing, and the new variant Omicron also the count is increasing and affected in Tamil Nadu also. The count due to the count in Omicron count increase in Tamil Nadu, more chances to close 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard schools, and from actually before itself from LKG to 8th standard the schools were cancelled till 10th January as per the Tamil Nadu government Stalin Chief Minister announcement. We expect the remaining 10th, 11th, 12th schools also will close by soon in upcoming days. We will depend upon the Omicron variant impact on Tamil Nadu. We will expect that upcoming details about school and all updates. Okay, thank you guys.